my dear students, hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. All of you are welcome to an Abir Home School. This is Abir Hossain, assistant teacher in mathematics at day shift of National Ideal English Version School. Today I am going to take mathematics class for class 1, and our today's topic is descending order part 1, and our today's lecture 11 and HW number is 11. You have to submit your HW on next Saturday on your campus. Now let's go to start our class. Here is a question: arrange the following numbers as descending order. Here there are some numbers. First one is 1930, 1278, 1057, 1515, 1492. First of all, we have to know what is descending order. Descending order means you have to arrange a number from larger to smaller. That means you have to arrange some numbers from larger to smaller. Now look here, which one is the largest among these numbers? Here is 1019, here is 1900, here is 1200, here is 1000, here is 1500, and here is 1400. So 1930 is the largest number among these numbers. Now which one will be? Here is 1200, 1000, 1500 and 1400. So 1515 will be the next number. Now what will be here? Here is 1200, 1000 and 1400. So here it will be 1492 is the next number. Now here is 1200 and 1000. So 1200 is larger than 1000. So here it will be 1278. And the remaining one, 1057, is the smallest number among these. So here is the largest number is 1930 and the smallest number is 1057. Now look here, here is a SW. Here is a question: arrange the following numbers as descending order. Here is first number 1109, 2000, 1338, 591, and the last one is 1678. My dear students, hope you understood how can we arrange a number as descending order. Practice it at your home more and more. See you soon, and till then, Allah Hafiz.